Galgotia's educational institutions have been imparting knowledge for more than 50 years. In tune with the changing times, GEI have been infusing theoretical clarity, practical skills, and enhancing competency to create global professionals who are also closer to complete human beings.
It's not enough to be a good academician. It's more important to be a good human being. So the proper values, the moral values, the ethical values that needs to be imparted to them, we do that also. So that when a student passes out, he's not only a good academician, he's a good human being.
Galgotia educational institutions include Galgotia's College of Engineering and Technology, Galgotia's Business School and Galgotia's Institute of Management and Technology.
We are looking at Galgotia as being a dream university, and we are looking at Galgotia institution as being at par with best in the world.
Proud of its tradition in innovation, Galgotia's College of Engineering and Technology has established itself as one of the best in technical education. It attracts both the best students and the best corporate houses, thereby providing a platform for prospering careers.
The engineers that we will produce are therefore going to be people who will not only understand the technological phenomena, but will also look into the various constraints around which the solution has to be built and then find a proper way of putting it into its actual position. This characteristic of problem solving is something which distinguishes Galgotia's college.
GCET has been rated A+ by Vice Chancellor of UPTU and has been ranked amongst top engineering colleges in India by DataQuest NASSCOM Survey, Outlook C4 College Survey and India Today Aspire 2008.
The most important factor in GCET is the faculty. That is our biggest strength.
The GCET faculty selected from the best institutes across the country boasts of the maximum number of MTechs, PhDs in its faculty in the NCR. The faculty presented about 50 papers last year, which is the maximum for any private engineering college in NCR.
We are looking into the teaching pedagogy very closely. We are looking into classroom teaching, we are looking into how tutorials are taken care of, we are looking into laboratories. Laboratories is one issue where most of the colleges are not taking seriously. So we ensure that the teaching learning processes, the teaching learning pedagogy is followed through into the minutest detail.
World-class teaching learning process coupled with most modern labs, high-tech equipment, computer centers, well-stocked library, Wi-Fi connected, sprawling 19-acre campus. Recreational activities among others add immense value to the education imparted here.
We train our faculty members into conducting interactive sessions. We train our faculty members into designing good tutorials. We train our faculty members into designing good laboratories, good projects, and carrying out an interactive and carrying out an analysis of student needs and building appropriate interactive sessions in classroom.
Putting a premium on placements, GCET has instituted the Career Planning and Development Division, CPDD, which works relentlessly to increase the employability of students.
The training is imparted to the students in a center where we are sitting now, the Center for Training and Development, which now we have changed into Career Planning and Development Division. Not only do we give them the training to make sure that they are corporate friendly, but we see that they are better human beings also.
CPDD goes the whole way by organizing short-term industry-oriented training and entrepreneurship development programs, improving professional and business communication skills, besides developing soft skills like time and stress management and personality development among others. Brilliant results, outshining 100% placements, radiant future. It's all happening at GCET. Tata Consultancy Services Group has offered plum job opportunities to 76 students of the 2009 batch. GCET has turned into a treasure trove from which the corporate czars, namely HCL Tech, Infosys, Cummins, Samsung, Bharti Telecom, Wipro Technologies, Accenture, Yamaha Motors, Birlasoft, L&T, Siemens, Satyam and many others are picking precious gems. The story of success continues at Galgotia School of Business, one of the most trusted MBA institutes in the country. The Greater Noida campus, complete with advanced classrooms, library, computer center and hostel, is state-of-the-art. The faculty is a mix of stalwarts from educational and corporate sector, and the focus is to develop corporate personalities that will be valued by global employers.
We actually follow an inside-out approach to scrutinize the needs of the corporate before clarifying our vision. This ensures linkages between the academic theory taught in the class and the practicalities of everyday business.
True to its promise of providing global education, GBS has strategic tie-ups with institutes from around the world, such as Nihongo Bashi Software, Oracle, British Council Division and University of Cambridge. GBS has signed an MOU with Infosys for the Campus Connect program, which trains students in corporate practices.
I would like to contribute towards ensuring a smooth transition for the students from the classroom to the workplace. Through the medium of heavy corporate interface, which at a B school we can do through interactive workshops with the corporates across various sectors, to give them sectoral awareness, to give them awareness of the entry-level job function, what are they getting into when they join a company, so there are no surprises either for the student or for the company after they've joined. How different businesses in different sectors run. In essence, again, as I said, a smooth transition from the classroom to the workplace, so for the companies, the hand-holding time and induction period gets reduced to the minimum.
GBS is driven by technological innovation and strives to implement the online training and teaching platform which blends theoretical knowledge with professional skills.
Experts converge from every functional area, every discipline, and discuss managerial issues, emerging trends, new researches. And above all, we focus a lot on training our students in the practicalities of life, skills, behaviors, relationships that will ensure a very smooth transition from the classroom to the workplace.
Sharing the passion for educational excellence, Galgotia's Institute of Management and Technology offers the best from the world of technical education. GIMT combines comprehensive course structures, experienced faculty, well-equipped campus, and frequent industry interfaces. The institute has built a solid reputation for the business process re-engineering course offered by it and promises to take the mission further. Knowledge is never constant, and nor should be education. Today, Galgotians are carrying forward a proud tradition of efficiency, innovation, and humanity to every corner of the world.